Hello, everybody. I was getting ready to shut the computer down, and I said, wait a minute. I'm going to make a little YouTube video. By doing this method, you'll never have to blow the dust out of your keyboard again. You won't have to worry about the keys getting all gooey and everything. If you spill some coffee, it won't get in the keyboard. And you can take a rag and just wipe it off. And all you have to do is go into your kitchen and wrap your keyboard in saran wrap. You know, sandwich wrap. And you can see all the keys. You still have the tactile feel. You can still feel the little dot on the J and the F. See that little dot that your home keys? So it's really a good thing, and you can change it whenever you want. But your keyboard will always be new, like out of the box. Now I've had this on here for a while, and you know this is an expensive keyboard, and I've never had to blow it out with air. I've never had to do anything like that because all the dust settles on the sandwich wrap. It never gets in the keyboard. So that's my little tip today. And if you're using a strange keyboard at the office or something, you know, you might keep a roll of saran wrap around and then just wrap that keyboard, and you don't have to worry about getting the heebie-jeebies because you're getting somebody else's cooties on your fingertips. And you don't have to go looking for alcohol and things like that to wipe that keyboard down. There's your sanitizer right there. So, and when you leave, you just take it off and you go on your merry way. Throw it away, boop, you're done. So that's my useful tip for the day. I don't come up with useful tips very often, but I think it's a good one.